The property we want to propose is located in the center of the village of Guilmi, at 30 minutes from the coast. The house stands on 3 floors. The main entrance is located on the first floor. It opens into this beautiful and full of charm living room with high ceiling and exposed original wooden beams. The house was recently completely restored. Here we find the beautiful fireplace that is also the thermo fireplace. It produces the hot water for radiators, but the house avails also of central heating system powered by gas. This is the first bedroom on this floor. Adjacent, beautiful old style bathroom with the bathtub. From this living room we can reach a fully equipped kitchen with a beautiful flooring, with beautiful furniture. This original staircase takes us to the first floor. The master bedroom with built-in wardrobe. Small bathroom with shower facilities. And another bedroom, a single bedroom. Is also connected to the lower floor with this staircase, or we can reach the lower floor by its own entrance on the ground floor. This is the additional downstairs space, currently used as storage for the moment. The gas boiler for the central heating system.